Right, guys, what I'm going to be showing you today is going to change your trading journey. It done that for me. Now, this indicator on Tradingview has actually presented a 95% win rate. That's right. And it's so simple to use, is honestly going to blow your mind. Now, before I jump in and show you, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, here we are, guys. I'm on Tradingview. This is my personal chart. Don't worry, we'll be changing the candles anyway. But what we can see up here, the signaler is the Tradingview indicator. Now, it looks very easy as well. Obviously, I've used it for a month or so now and just been highly profitable with it. But what I want to do is show you and break it down for you. Very first step is click on this arrow. Where you are on candles at the moment, you want to go down and get Hikinashi, okay? So once you click that, this is where the signaler indicator works best. We are on the daily time frame and we're currently looking at Ethereum across US dollar. So this is on crypto on the Binance exchange. Now, nice and simple, honestly. So what you want to see here is shorts and longs. So it's good that this has actually got both in this picture because I can show you exactly how to use them both. Okay, so if we start, so a short means a sell. So if we look for the sell picture, when the arrow presents and we get this alert, which I will show you how to do alerts, you then want to put the stop loss on this red line directly above the candle that you are selling or buying from. And then personally, I target a 1 to 2. But obviously you can either keep it open because look, we could have easily have kept this open for longer, pushing a 1 to 3. However, I like to go for a 1 to 2 as a trader myself. So what that means is it means I'm investing $1,000 and then I would have personally won $2,000 off of this. So you're doubling your money in essence. Now for a buy is exactly the same. Once the arrow presents itself, do the stop loss this time on the blue line. So for a long, which is a buy, it goes below. And for a sell, it goes above. Now, again, if I would have been targeting my 1 to 2, bang, I would have been perfectly out of the market. But look, this one actually ran for a 1 to 5. So that's right. So $1,000 invested, you would have got $5,000 back. Now, honestly, it blows my mind at how successful it is. So there we have it, guys. That is basically your buys and your sells. Nice and simple. Stop loss above, stop loss below for this one. Now, if you are looking at getting this and changing your trading journey, all you have to do is head on over to Telegram, join the VIP signaler group. This is the group that you want to see. It will give you bits and pieces to start with. Link will be down in the description. And then to get started, you want to head on over to this bot, okay, the signaler bot. What this means is it gives you exactly what you are talking about here. So you have the indicator system, Tradingview access, which is what I was just showing you, 1 year indicator, 1 month indicator, or 3 months, and then you have the VIP signal channel. So you either get 1 month, 3 month, or a year, or the lifetime access bundle for $597. Me personally, I did this one, the $597, because you get everything involved. So for the 1 year and 1 year, that would have been a total of nearly $900, whereas the lifetime is $600 just short of. So all you want to do is click on start button and give you this multiple different options. If you want to try it for a month on either one, you can, but for the lifetime access, you simply click on lifetime bundle and then you click on click to pay by crypto. Now once you've done that, you want to go down to the start section and then choose a cryptocurrency to pay the invoice. I personally like USDT or Dogecoin, as I was an early investor in there. So say if it's a Doge, you then have a confirmation, you pay $597 US. Recipient, the signaler, are you sure you want to pay? Yes, I want to pay this. And then it gives you the exact contract address, tells you how many Doge to send to that address, and gives you exactly what to be careful of, because you don't want to be sending anything to anywhere. Make sure you are sending the correct Doge via Doge to this address, otherwise coins will be lost. And then if you're on your mobile, you can also generate a QR code for you to scan in and make that payment. There we have it, guys. That was the signaler indicator. Let me know down in the comments what you think and if there's anything that you feel would change your trading journey better than this. Like I said, 95% win rate changed my game completely. It makes it so much easier. Now, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.